What's up, YouTubers? Oh, I am so excited. But oh my God, what have I done? Have you ever made that mistake where you've told your significant other, girlfriend, spouse, or otherwise, I'm not going to buy any more watches for the rest of this year. I'm done. I'm out.
What is this? Oh, snap.
That's the Lunar Pilot, the Bulova Lunar Pilot. I got to get that thing in the house, and let's get this unboxing on the way. Shh. Don't tell.
Dun 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 dun.
For today's wow moment, we're looking at the Tudor Black Bay GMT. I wonder if my man Clint would have liked that one. Now, what we have here is the Bulova Lunar Pilot. A fantastic timepiece with some great history, a wonderful story. And of course, it's the 50th anniversary of Apollo 15 and their lunar mission back in 1971. You know what it's like. That piece just catches your eye and you say to yourself, I gotta have it, I gotta have it. So let's get into a bird's eye view.
The Bulova Lunar Pilot. Nice cardboard box, setting instructions and warranty information, and certificate of authenticity. Oh boy. Bulova signature tuning fork. Pull-out case. There she is. Chronograph running with split-second time. Wow. Stop, start, reset. Awesome strap. Date of the mission with regards to this specific timepiece, August 2nd, 1971, commemorating the Apollo 15 mission 50 years ago. Now the watch comes on this beautiful 20 millimeter leather strap with like a cross checkered pattern. However, I opted to put it right on the special NATO. So in the bottom of the box, we have the Bulova. Okay, baby. I'm just putting salt in the water softener. And this booklet is great. It shows you the history there behind this timepiece. As you can see, August 2nd, 1971. The date that the Apollo 15 made lunar history, and with it, a Bulova Lunar Pilot Chronograph. Now we're making history again. Bulova's new special edition Lunar Pilot Chronograph replicates that original timepiece. Unbelievable. The watch even comes with this great watch tool to assist with removing the pins. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, the Bulova Lunar Pilot. Stay tuned to the channel because there's going to be a full review coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.
Did you get another new watch? You're unbelievable.
Baby, wait. There's always going to be more content coming. This is the Covert Crow. I'm out.